Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Scott's Triple Action is probably one of the most sought-after lawn care solutions for homeowners looking to achieve a lush, green, and weed-free yard with minimal effort, offering a powerful 3-in-1 formula designed to tackle common lawn problems head-on and deliver visible results that will make your neighbors green with envy. Number 5. Scott's Turf Builder Weed and Feed 3. Introducing Scott's Turf Builder Weed and Feed 3, your solution for a healthier, greener lawn. This powerful formula is designed to tackle common lawn weeds effectively. Experience up to 2 times more power against stubborn dandelions and clover compared to our previous formula. It's satisfaction guaranteed to clear out the weeds you see and those you don't. Our innovative weed grip technology actively grips and eliminates weeds. It targets both visible weeds and those lurking just beneath the surface. This is Scott's most potent weed and feed product yet. It delivers exceptional results for a truly impressive lawn. Beyond weed control, it nourishes your lawn, promoting thicker growth. This helps your grass naturally crowd out any new weeds that attempt to emerge. This product is designed to cover areas up to 5,000 square feet. Achieve a beautiful, weed-free lawn with ease. What we like. This product offers Scott's most powerful weed and feed solution. Its weed grip technology actively grips weeds, both seen and unseen, ensuring a thorough clean. If you're looking for maximum strength to tackle stubborn weeds and simultaneously feed your lawn for thicker growth, this is the choice for you. What people say. It killed the weeds and the grass grew in thicker and greener. It worked great on my lawn, killing the weeds and leaving the grass healthy and green. Number 4. Scott's Easy Seed Patch and Repair. Introducing Scott's Easy Seed Patch and Repair, the easy way to fix bare spots and damaged areas in your lawn. It's designed for both sunny and shady conditions. This advanced grass seed mix is guaranteed to grow anywhere with proper care. It thrives in full sun, dense shade, high traffic areas, and even on slopes. Our unique combination includes high-performance grass seed, expanding mulch, controlled release fertilizer, and a protectant. This ensures your new grass stays in place and stays safe. Getting started is simple. Just prep the area, spread the seed evenly, and water until no more is absorbed. It's that easy to achieve a fuller lawn. For best results, apply when daytime temperatures are between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and there's no danger of frost. This ensures the best germination for your new grass. 120 pounds bag covers up to 445 square feet, providing ample seed for significant lawn repairs. You'll have a lush, green lawn in no time. What we like. This is a revolutionary product designed for effortless lawn repair. It combines grass seed, mulch, fertilizer, and protectants in one convenient package. If you're dealing with bare spots or damaged areas and want a simple, guaranteed way to fill them in, regardless of sun or shade conditions, this is the ideal solution. What people say. After 4 years of this, I can say it's fast and reliable. This stuff though grew thick, and we saw growth within a week, and it stayed green all winter and is very strong now in spring. Grass grew after a week, and now it has increasingly become fuller. Number 3. Scott's Turf Builder Triple Action Lawn Fertilizer. Introducing Scott's Turf Builder Triple Action. It's the ultimate solution for a healthier, greener lawn. This powerful formula works in 3 ways to give you the best results. It effectively eliminates weeds you can see, like dandelions and clover, as well as those lurking beneath the surface. Say goodbye to unwanted invaders in your lawn. Enjoy a crabgrass-free lawn for up to 4 months. This product provides long-lasting prevention, keeping your turf protected. Not only does it tackle weeds, but it also nourishes your grass. It feeds your lawn to promote the growth of thick, green turf. It controls a broad spectrum of weeds, including barnyard grass, foxtail, and many more listed varieties. You can trust it to handle common lawn nuisances. This formula is suitable for a variety of grass types, including Bermuda grass, fescue, and zoysia grass. It's designed for versatility in lawn care. What we like. This option provides a comprehensive 3-in-1 approach to lawn care. It not only eliminates existing weeds but also prevents crabgrass for an extended period and nourishes your lawn. If you want a proactive solution that tackles current weed problems while preventing future ones, especially crabgrass, and promotes a thicker lawn, this is the one to consider. What people say. After I mowed the lawn, I used a spreader to lightly distribute the triple action onto the lawn. To my delight, a few days later there are no dandelions sprouting. And I noticed that the weed leaves are starting to shrivel. Furthermore, as time went by, the quality of the lawn was noticeably better. There seemed to be more grass filling in where there was some sparse areas. And, clover was retreating, too. Front yard is very lush and full. The dandelions, crabgrass are gone. After one treatment I can see a noticeable difference. Our grass looks healthier and we have about 1/3 as many weeds as what we had before. Number 2. Scott's Turf Builder SummerGuard Lawn Food. Introducing Scott's Turf Builder SummerGuard Lawn Food. It feeds and strengthens your lawn, preparing it to withstand the harsh effects of summer heat and drought. This powerful formula also works to kill and protect your lawn against a variety of listed insects. Keep your grass healthy and bug-free all season long. We guarantee it won't burn your lawn, even when applied during hot weather. You can trust it to nourish your grass safely and effectively. Your lawn will naturally signal when it needs water by wilting slightly. Embrace nature's watering system and let the rain do the work for you. A well-maintained lawn does more than just look good. It actively cleans the air, produces vital oxygen, and helps prevent soil erosion and water runoff. Choose Scott's Turf Builder SummerGuard Lawn Food for a resilient, beautiful lawn all summer. It's the smart way to protect your grass and enjoy its many benefits. What we like. This product is specifically formulated to fortify your lawn during challenging summer conditions. It provides essential nutrients to combat heat and drought stress while also offering protection against common lawn pests. If your primary concern is keeping your lawn healthy, strong, and pest-free through the summer without the risk of burning, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Yard always looks green and lush and I'll be getting a bag here soon for this season. Scott's Turf Builder SummerGuard Lawn Food with Insect Control is an absolute winner for maintaining a vibrant, healthy lawn while tackling pesky insects. This all-in-one formula not only promotes lush, green growth but also effectively gets rid of common lawn pests. It's great for keeping the weeds and the crabgrass down, which I hardly ever have any on my front lawns, and on a larger rear 40 parts of my property where I don't care about and don't treat, I have a lot of it. Number 1. BioAdvanced 5-in-1 Weed and Feed Granules. Tired of stubborn weeds taking over your lawn? Our powerful formula targets and eliminates over 200 types of weeds, even the most difficult ones. Watch your lawn transform as these unwanted guests disappear. Enjoy a weed-free lawn for longer. This product creates a protective barrier in the soil, preventing new weeds from sprouting for up to 6 months. It's the perfect solution for spring and early summer applications. Don't let crabgrass ruin your lawn's appearance. Our advanced formula is designed to kill crabgrass right down to the root. You'll see it start to turn purple in just 3 days, indicating it's working effectively. Achieve a thicker, healthier, and greener lawn. This product not only tackles weeds but also feeds your turf for up to 3 months. It promotes robust growth for a truly vibrant outdoor space. Getting a beautiful lawn has never been easier. Simply use a broadcast or drop spreader for smooth, even coverage across your established lawn. It's a simple way to achieve professional results. Experience the ultimate in lawn care. Our science-based solutions provide season-long protection against weeds and promote a healthy, strong lawn. Get more from your lawn with this effective treatment. What we like. This is a powerful, multi-action formula designed for extensive weed control and lawn enhancement. It targets a wide variety of weeds, including tough ones, and establishes a long-lasting barrier to prevent new growth for up to 6 months. If you are looking for a comprehensive solution that not only kills existing weeds but also provides extended prevention and nourishes your lawn for a greener, thicker appearance, this product is an excellent option. What people say. This product is a great weed and feed for lawns. It kills weeds and feeds the grass at the same time. I have used this product for years and it always works great. It kills all the weeds in my lawn and leaves the grass looking green and healthy. This product is easy to use and effective. It kills weeds and fertilizes the lawn in one application. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.